Hey everyone, welcome to Talk and Thrive, where we learn and grow together. Today we have a fun and helpful conversation for you. If you're struggling to start speaking English, this video is for you. Let's watch and learn.
Hey Priya, I really want to speak English fluently, but I don't know where to start. Every time I try, I feel nervous.
I understand, Amit. But trust me, speaking English is not as difficult as you think. You just need to start with simple steps.
Simple steps? What do you mean?
First, start listening to English every day. Watch movies, listen to podcasts, or even songs. The more you listen, the more natural it will feel.
I do watch English movies, but I don't understand everything.
That's okay. You don't need to understand every word. Just focus on how people speak, their pronunciation, and sentence patterns. You can also use subtitles to help.
Okay, that sounds doable. What's the next step?
Step 2. Start speaking daily, even if it's just a few sentences. Talk to yourself in English, describe what you're doing, or practice with a friend.
But what if I make mistakes?
Mistakes are a part of learning. Even native speakers make mistakes. Just speak without fear, and you'll improve over time.
That makes sense. Anything else?
Yes. Step 3. Think in English. Instead of translating from your native language, try to form thoughts directly in English.
That sounds difficult.
At first it might be, but start small. For example, when you see something, name it in English, like tree, car, sunset. Then try making short sentences like, I am drinking water. Slowly, your brain will get used to it.
Wow, these tips are really helpful. So, listen more, speak daily, and think in English.
Exactly. And don't forget to be consistent. Even 10 to 15 minutes a day will help you improve.
Thanks, Priya. I feel more confident now. I'm going to start today.
That's the spirit. Keep practicing and you'll speak fluently in no time.
That was a great conversation, right? Remember, learning English is all about practice. Start today, make mistakes, learn, and grow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Talk and Thrive for more learning tips. Comment below. What's your biggest challenge in learning English? Let's talk and improve together.